Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix American Truck Simulator crashing on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen and click on Library. This will bring up your complete list of installed games. Now, although I don't have American Truck Simulator in my library list, I'm going to walk you through the next steps. Let's pretend that I have American Truck Simulator installed so I can demonstrate the process for you. Once you locate American Truck Simulator in your library, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a new window with various settings and options for the game. In the Properties window, look for the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and toggle this off. Turning off the Steam overlay can actually help since American Truck Simulator can crash on overlay injection. This simple change often resolves stability issues that many players experience. Next, find the Launch Options section. Below it, you'll see a text field. Click on the text field and type -nitro. This command skips the intro sequence and reduces crash risk. Intro videos can sometimes cause conflicts with certain system configurations, so bypassing them altogether can prevent crashes before the game even fully loads. Now navigate to the left panel and click on Installed Files. This section contains important tools for verifying and managing your game installation. Once you're in Installed Files, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check your game files against Steam's records and replace any corrupted or missing files automatically. Give it a moment to complete this verification process, as it may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and your system's speed. There's one more important step you need to take outside of Steam. You also need to update your GPU drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are one of the most common causes of game crashes, and keeping them current will fix crashes and bugs. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, whether that's Nvidia, AMD, or Intel, download the latest drivers for your specific model, and install them. With these changes applied, your American Truck Simulator should run much more smoothly without the crashing issues. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.